distance with a ribbon of black, stretched to the point of no turning back. A flight of fancy on a windswept field, standing alone, my senses reel. A fatal attraction is holding me fast. How can I escape this irresistible grasp? Can't keep my eyes from the circling skies, tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound misfit. Ice is forming on the tips of my wings. I needed warnings, I thought of everything. No navigator to find my way home. I laid it empty and turned to stone. A sole intention that's learning to fly, conditioned, grounded, but determined to try. Can't keep my eyes from the circling skies, tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound misfit. Above the planet, on the winging of prayer, my grubby halo, a vapor trail in the empty air. Across the clouds, I see my shadow fly, out of the corner of my watering eye. A dream threatened by the morning light could blow his soul right through the roof of the night.